Alright, here we go. Got the Australian Outback 223, made in Australia, extreme performance, whatever the weather. I really like how these are packaged. To be honest with you, just show you real quick. They come in that little plastic, you pop them out. I like that. I really do. It's the little things. But give you all a quick look at the bullets. These are 223s, they're 55 grain. Right there, blitz green. Well, who cares? Anyways. And there you go. So that's what we're going to be doing. Deep penetration at about 50 yards. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, here we go. Hit right here. Do not have a clean pass through. Take it back to the table and see how we did it. Just for you. Got some flour on my hand from the last test. Let's get it done. Alright, here we go. Got deep penetration. I reuse boards from other ones. 223. Australian Outback. We got the hole. We don't have a complete pass through. Let's see what we got going on. Nice little hole on the first board. Let's see what my good enough calibers. We roughly got the hole sizing out at. It's roughly, the exit is 0.4, just under 0.4. That ain't bad for a 223. There we go. Nice good hole going in. Solid. Are we getting any bigger? Let me see. I'll go the same way. That one is 0.4. It is gotten a little bit bigger if I'm on there. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Into the third. This is first, second. Yeah, we're into the third board. Nice little destruction going on. Third board. Are we into the fourth? Oh my God, we are into the fourth board. There we go, 223. Look at that. Into the fourth board. Are we into the fifth board, ladies and gentlemen? Oh. Uh-oh. Don't cut your thumb. And, oh, damn, we are into the fifth board. Did we punch the sixth board? Here we go. Down to the wire. We did not punch the sixth board. That is pretty good for a little 55 grain bullet. Got some nice size on it too. As you can see, the expansion. That's good. That's good expansion for a 223. Solid drill hole going on. And like I said, right there, look at that. That's some good little working bullet right there. Veered off from the split, but you know, you still get the picture. The idea. Not bad. 5 boards. 223 Australian Outback, the Blitzscreen, Sierra Blitzscreens. Alright, thanks for watching.